have a little bit of change plans. We don't have our paperwork ready for the heats yet, so we're going to have adult practice. If we could get our adult four-wheelers up there, our expert riders up there to stay. On that one. He has set sail into the cell tower turn and has already taken a pretty commanding lead. I'm going to have to wait for him to come back around. His number plate is so small, 50s, that I can't really see him that well. But here comes Cruz there with the jump. Down the backstretch he comes in and came. He's looking pretty good. He's going to lead lap one. He's coming around to take the green flag from our flag and green flag. In that second spot of Samuel Saul on that 118 bike, followed up by the 200 of Jared Cox. And Orlo Turner is following up the pack on that 97 Yamaha. Meanwhile, Cruz is still out front. Come to see the chicane. I know Cruz has been spending a lot of time on asphalt here lately, so it's nice to see him back on dirt. He's looking fast as usual. These guys are still all on green flag lap. Playing field spread out pretty well. Pretty well at this point. No challenges for any position. Might have about a half a track at this point. Coming up on lap trap, and she's coming up on the 97, Orlo Turner, as he crosses the front. Just put a lap on Orlo Turner, going into the cell tower turn. sound like the 118 of Samuel Saul could use one more gear going down that back stretch. Just making it work. They're all on green flag laps at this point. Number 26 of Cruz Texter just took the halfway mark. Sector has now put a lap on our number 3 bike. Here it's Scott. I believe it was. Still on fire here lately. Run out of Springfield, he just took the checker. Keep one. Now, Cole Sanders got a really good jump, but might have left the other two sitting there for a second. They might have been sleeping on the line, not exactly too sure. Looks like Colton Sanders must have won a drag race down through there because he leads about off the jump and into the chicane. Followed up by holding that nerve. They're not spread out too far yet. I'd say if you guys have tents up there in the pits, you want to make sure that they're battening down. Eisenhower's not letting him get too far out of sight. Followed by Jackson Taylor and Dave McAllister in that 4th spot. Followed by Dave McAllister in that 4th position. flag is out. Cole Sanders still in the lead. Aiden Guggenauer still trying to chase him down, followed up by Jackson Taylor. Dave McAllister in that fourth spot. Cole Sanders coming through that chicane. Looks like he's coming around to the center. That's the way they're going to finish. Jackson Taylor's going to take that third spot, followed up by Dave McAllister, taking that fourth. It's on that Honda in that fourth spot.
Next year when I ride, I'm not as fast as he is, it's taking more ways around to it. Exactly. Yeah.
Looking like Cruise Texas out there, and he is set sail. I'm not even sure he's letting off going into that chicane. He finally did.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what we did last week.
Cruise Texas on that green flag. He's got the lead. First lap. Followed by the 999 of Samuel Saul. Arlo Turner is running third, followed up by the 200 of Jared Cox. He's trying to put the move on Arlo Turner going into the cell tower turn, and I think he made it stick. Arlo picked his speed up. Meanwhile, Cruz is still out front, screaming down the backstretch, just went through the chicane. He looks like he's on cruise control at this point. Looks like he's taking the halfway point. With a little bit of a rain delay in this program, we've shortened these youth races to 4 laps. Looks like Cruz has almost got himself about a half a lap lead at this point. 999, Samuel Saul still in that second spot, holding that second spot. Followed by Jared Cox on the 200 Honda. And my man Arlo Turner is holding up that fourth position on that 97 out of Bethlehem, PA.
Youth quad.
We need youth quad up there to the line. Cruise Texas just took the white flag.
Imagine if Corey had a headset for that. Oh, I do too.
Corey looks like Cruz looks like he's coming up on Arlo Turner, getting ready to put a lap on him. Coming out of that cell tower turn onto the jump. The 999 of Samuel Saul just took that second. In second, just took the white flag. Meanwhile, Cruz is coming out of his last turn, and he's going to be taking the checkers. Cruz Texter on that 26. Out of Willow Street, PA. He's been really having a great year, putting in some great results. I know he and his dad worked very hard at it. Not too bad, but he's usually done the whole job on that one. I'll have to wait for him to come back around. So I can see what I'm looking at here. Looks like we're going to take that. He's got this morning, that front followed by Colby Silver following second. Trying to put a pass on the 16th of well, I think he's still running in that third spot. Man, do I love this. Colby Silver. about that. Followed by the 51 of Ronald Dixon. Still working on that second spot. Trying to make something happen down there on that cell tower turn. Ooh, that's still a little bit wide. Spot called by Ronald Fisher on that on the field, on the back. Start on the outside. Jackson Good. Everybody holds their position this time, man. They all put it out at this point. Once again, thanks to everybody for coming out here to the Pisten Poppers today. Jackson Good to take that home. Connor Kemper is going to finish in that second spot, followed up by Ron Mark.